Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. Now, whether you have an iPhone or an Android and you wanted to be able to look at somebody's TikTok profile without them being notified, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Open up the TikTok app, again on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. At the top right next to the share icon, you'll either see two footsteps or you'll see somebody's profile picture. Just tap on that. On here, you'll be able to see a long list of everybody that has viewed your TikTok profile. This indicates that the feature is turned on, and essentially when you view someone else's TikTok profile, they will be notified. However, let's turn that off. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Again, tap Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy midway down. Next, tap on Privacy midway down. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on Viewers. And you can see View History is turned on. See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your posts in the last 7 days. If others have this setting turned on, they will also be able to see their profiles and posts. If you turn this feature off, you won't be able to see when other people have viewed your TikTok profile, but also they won't be able to see when you view their TikTok profile. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.